businesses are still without power. Many swollen rivers are only now cresting, which means floodwaters will go nowhere and, in fact, in some areas get worse, and this could last days. Now, you can help the victims of the storm by texting Florence to 91999. This sends a donation right to the Salvation Army, and our parent company, Sinclair Broadcasting Group, will match the first $100,000 raised. Nancy?
A Virginia teen surviving being struck by lightning while at school. The Charlotte County middle schooler wasn't outside. No, he was in an art class washing his hands when he got the shock of his life.
On an art project, and I had to get this stuff off my hand, and I went to wash my hand, and I heard a big boom. I'm just grateful. I had an angel watching over top of me.
The teen has a follow-up visit with his family doctor, and he can't play sports for the next few months, but his mom says that's something he can live without after what he survived. And firefighters say these indirect strikes are rare, but a good reminder not to do anything involving water during a storm. And we had some pretty severe storms earlier this week.
He should take his good hand and go buy a lottery ticket. I mean, that is lucky.
It's one of the things I tell all the students when I do school talks, and I always say, hey, it's what I do with my family. If you hear the sound of thunder, never take a bath, never take a shower, washing hands, that type of thing, because it just channels through there.
Right.
It's, and sometimes I will, if we have storms, I will plan my day. If I know we're going to have storms there between 11, 12, 1, I'll shower early in the morning because I will not I will absolutely not shower.
Didn't even think about that. That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, it scares me enough to put that message out to you. All right, so let me show you what's going on. You don't have to worry about that right now. It's actually really nice here around National Harbor, but as you look to the backdrop there, that is the smoke from the fires. We look off to the north here toward the district, and that's what you're going to see, and it's just going to stick around. The winds are very light out of the north, generally speaking, north-northeast, so a lot of that is going to be floating off to the south. 84 degrees is the temperature right now, and our dew point number is 65 degrees. That's down considerably from where it has been. It's still humid/muggy, but going out tonight, things are much more manageable. In fact, it's a delightful evening. I encourage you to get out and enjoy. 81 Gaithersburg, 86 in Leesburg. You go back to the west, up and down I-81, a little bit cooler, mid to upper 70s, 79 for you folks in Winchester. Good evening to you. But the winds are light around the region, not just here in the district. In some places like Culpeper, Luray, Leonardtown, no wind reported at all. Very calm. This is going to be the trend through the night. Very calm winds tonight. And what that will do is it'll allow a little bit of fog to develop. Now, we did have a couple of showers earlier today up and down the Shenandoah Valley, over the Blue Ridge essentially. That cluster has now moved well to the south, and it's the only one on the map. That was it. It's moving now into central and southern parts of Virginia. That will clear out as the sun goes down. Not a problem. For us, it's just a dry night, a couple of passing clouds, a delightful evening. Fire up that grill, spend some time outside. 7:10 is when that sun goes down tonight. So if you're observing Yom Kippur and you've been fasting, 7:10 is sunset tonight around our area. Tomorrow, we're going to go a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day. A chance of a stray shower off to the east, and then again to the mountains to the west. But for the most part, everybody's dry tomorrow. Take advantage of it. Get out and enjoy. Temperatures are going to be mid-low 80s, maybe lower 80s, a majority of locations. So we've added some afternoon clouds on there, that mix of sun and clouds, to about 80 degrees or so into the afternoon. Generally dry. We can't completely rule out some stray showers here and there. If you happen to get any of them, they will pass rather quickly. Same thing with Friday. We're watching the weekend. Start of fall on Saturday, officially 9:54 p.m. I think is when that is technically, that autumnal equinox. And then Saturday night and into Sunday, we're going to watch some more showers, and then it stays fairly unsettled Sunday, Monday, Tuesday into next week, and the temperature should fall as well. We got some low 70s on there for high temperatures Sunday and Monday. But man, a delightful evening tonight. Head on out and enjoy.
Bill, thanks very much. And again, we are following that breaking news all afternoon. 5-story complex that is a housing center for a lot of seniors caught fire. It raced through this building. Evacuations were being done in the thick of smoke. 4 people taken to the hospital. We will have an update on how that battle goes and also on the condition of those folks taken to the hospital. Back after this.
So, what's the story? Am I getting new tires?
Oh, you're not getting just any tires. You're getting Cooper tires.
Oh, Cooper tires?
You bet. Quality tires from an American-owned company since 1914.
At MTB and Merchants, buy 3 tires, get 1 free. Featuring the latest car and truck tires from Cooper, like the Discoverer RTX or the GLS Touring at MTB and Merchants.
1914?